Well, it's the end of the year here, 2017 in Hot Springs, Arkansas. We're going to end with a 5-minute video that has 3 different items. The first one is something that happened in November at the United Methodist Church Life Center. Cheryl Batts and her group of Phoebe, People Helping Others by Example, had a fundraiser for the John Lee Webb House where they had gospel singers from all different churches, plus the Fun City Chorus get together, and everybody just sang along and had a great time. As a matter of fact, if you looked at the people in the audience, you would see that everybody was singing to everybody else's song and getting along. And it was just a great community effort. It made you really feel good that it didn't matter what church or what group you belonged to, you were all getting into it. And it was for a fundraiser, and it was just a fantastic community in town. So before we get to our next little section, I just want to leave 1 minute to hear some of the great music, and you could watch some of the great interaction with the crowd of something that happened here in Hot Springs. It was just a wonderful community event. Another community event that happened recently in Hot Springs that everybody really came together was the Hot Springs Thanksgiving community dinners. Now you had all these different things from the Salvation Army, Methodist Church, First Presbyterian, Gospel Light, Christian Ministries, Visitors Chapel, Samaritan Ministries. I tried to get most of them over 2 days to really cover all the different volunteers and all the different people that were a part of this. And what was really amazing when I went and videotaped is to see the lack of difference between the people feeding and the people being fed. In other words, everybody was sitting down and eating, and of course there was a lot of volunteers, but you didn't feel like there was a separation between those who were being fed the meals and those that were serving. Everybody seemed to come together. Everybody sat and ate together. I was offered food again and again. You sure you don't want any food? It was really a warm feeling to see so many caring people and to see complete churches of people sit down and eat Thanksgiving with the people they were serving. And really you saw sometimes there were some really people in need, and to see the people behind the scenes really working hard to make it happen at all these different places right here in town. And it was just really heartwarming to see that. I heard it was over 10 or 11,000 meals were served or delivered over at Gospel Light and with Christian Ministries. They were delivering meals all over town, and just everybody came together. Little kids got to see a little bit of the Christmas and dream about something Santa would bring, and whole churches just came out and ate together. It was just really heartwarming.
We just do more things. We want our city to be alive with love. It makes it a good place to live.
And the third thing was the Loving Vincent premiere, which sold out at the Malco Theater. Brian Burrow is one of the partners in this movie, living over in Poland. And they got together with the Arts Alliance and put this on really quickly within a month. And all these people showed up, and it was like Old Home Week here in town. We're going to show you a few clips of the event that went on there, and just wish you a great end of 2017 and look forward to a fantastic 2018.
Jen Gerber, Joel Rush, and Jeff Fuller Freeman from TLI, you all came together, and it was so fun to be here where there hadn't been a screen in several years and see that screen go up so that we can show the film. And of course, Brian Burrow, who has moved away from Hot Springs, but like many of us, still close in his heart of all of the people here in Hot Springs to, even though he lives all the way around the world in Poland, that he would think of Hot Springs and want to bring this wonderful film here back to Hot Springs. He called Don Gooch, and Don called me and said, Mary, we need to find out how to get this film to Hot Springs. And so we are just so thankful to Brian Burrow for bringing the film here back to Hot Springs, to his hometown, to bring the art from around the world and share it with us here.
Hot Springs for 2018. The best is yet to come.